Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this lecture, Trainee, you will learn about Introduction to the Elastic Load Balancer. An Elastic Load Balancer (ELB) is an AWS service that automatically distributes incoming network or application traffic to a number of EC2 instances. It monitors the health of each of the EC2 instances associated with it and forward traffic only to healthy instances. An ELB provides a single point of contact for the EC2 instances behind the ELB. Each of the EC2 instances is marked with a status, either in service if it is healthy or out of service if it is unhealthy. Traffic is routed only to in-service instances. An ELB provides a single point of contact for the application traffic that is hosted on multiple EC2 instances. By routing traffic only to healthy instances, an ELB provides fault tolerance to the application and ensures high availability of the application. Please feel free to give your comments if you face any difficulty here.